on this old snowblower on the side of the road. It's got potential though. Usually it's just old gas. Been sitting for too long, especially with this one. I pull started it a few times. Feels like it had good compression, but it was turned off the last time it was used. Also, the choke was in the off position. The choke wasn't on like they were trying to start it a million times, and the ignition was turned off. It wasn't on, so it probably ran good the last time it was running. So there's probably nothing wrong with it except it's old gas. Get the old gas out of the tank. Take this cover off. Screws here, there. A couple of little clips down there. You take this off. You're gonna see something like this. Carburetor. Take the fuel bowl off. Take that off. Spray everything out. Some of this. Bolt it all back together. Change the fuel lines. Chances are it'll start and it'll run good.